just, right, go on.
Like that?
Yep. Put there. That's it, push down. Backwards and forwards.
Oh.
That's it. Right, wait. So what I want you to do here, I need to put the knife there.
Knife here?
So, like that. And go on, slowly. Go on, keep going. You're pushing down as well. Don't move your fingers that way. Right, now I want you to put the knife over here.
Right here?
Just let me get my fingers in there first. Let me see if I can pull it all out.
It smells like...
Smells like raw duck. Right, so now this one.
That big?
Yep. And go on, move it further down like there. Go on. Oh. Pretty. Yeah, put it on that bit there.
Right here?
There we go, that's that through, hang on.
That's through? This is a bone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why you
There,
did that.
that bit. Hang on, let me pull it round now. Right, wait.
Chef. I'm a chef.
It's hard work doing this with one hand, you know, pal. Because I'm trying to, hang on. I'm trying to pull the breast off the bird. Whilst, well, you see, down here. Hang on, right, go on.
Oh,
That's
this is
it.
easy, is it?
And that bit there.
This is easy.
Perfect. You have just debreasted a duck, John.